Good morning, fifth grade. Today we are in Chapter 5, Lesson 7, Addition Properties. You can use properties of addition to find sums of whole numbers and decimals mentally. When there are no parentheses, add in order from left to right. Let's go to Math in My World. Example 1. Elijah recorded the number of different movies he watched last month. Use properties of addition to mentally find the total number of movies. Find 5 plus 27 plus 15. You can easily add 5 and 15, so change the order and group these numbers together. The commutative property of addition states that the order in which the numbers are added does not change the sum. The associative property of addition states that the way in which numbers are grouped does not change the sum. So 5 plus 27 plus 15, we could just rearrange that order so that 5 and 15 are closer together and we can add them easily and then deal with the 27 separately. 27 plus 5 plus 15. In this situation, we are now grouping 5 and 15 together using parentheses, which is the associative property. 5 plus 15 is 20. And now we can easily add 27 and 20 mentally. All right. So what they're saying is, and obviously we're not just doing it mentally right now, we're doing it on paper. But if you rearrange those numbers in your head, you can more easily add the numbers mentally. And the reason that you can do that is because of the commutative property and the associative property. So Elijah watched a total of 47 movies. Example number 2. Use properties to find 1.8 plus 2.6 plus 0 mentally. In this particular situation, they are separating the decimal from the whole number and adding those separately. So 1.8 becomes 1 plus 0.8, and 2.6 becomes 2 plus 0.6. And they're doing that so you can then add the whole numbers separately from adding the decimals. So 1 plus 2 and 0.8 plus 0.6. We've just rearranged the order of those numbers so that we could add the whole numbers. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 0.8 plus 0.6. So here is my decimal point. 0.8 plus 0.6, I'm going to add that 8 and 6 together. The 4 goes here, carry the 1 to the next column over. So it would become 1.4. Let me show you that vertically. 8 plus 6 is 14. The 4 goes here. The 1 goes over to this column. 1 plus 0 is 1. And the decimal point comes down. Okay, now that I have done that, I can easily add the rest of that in my head. 3 plus 1.4 would be 4.4. And obviously, when we add 0, that's the identity property. Adding 0 does not change the number. Let's go to guided practice. Use properties of addition to find each sum mentally. Show your steps and identify the properties that you used. Commutative property indicates that we're rearranging the order of the numbers. So it becomes 27 plus 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 is obviously 10. And then we can easily add 27 and 10 to get 37. That concludes your direct instruction for today. Go ahead and turn to page 343 and complete your independent practice. Have a great day. See you soon.